And now we're going to the mansion and the right park. Right park. If it's not right, then it's wrong. Kiara. So there's a lot of tourists here. Kabilaan ng to. Sa kabila, ito yung the mansion. And doon ang right park. Ay, sorry. Welcome to the mansion. Oh, nothing to do, good man. Nothing much in here. So, okay.
Do they own it?
The government.
Oh, so they don't own it. Then what's the full one?
House of the Senate. Restrooms. Ay, restrooms nila?
Not like that.
Hindi. Di Kiara.
Yeah.
So may mga bilihan ulit ng mga prutas doon. Sa baba.
Okay, oh. Take that. Stand there.
Mga bilihan ulit. And now we're going back to the entrance. At yun lang guys. So, next video na naman po tayo. We're now going back. It's for free actually. There's no entrance. Right? Yeah? Hello? Oh, ang doggy eh. Okay, that's for now. Bye.
Ang ano?
Ini nga bukid.
Grabe ba?
That's 1.2 kilometers.
How did this not overflow?
Oh, it's bigger than this.
Excuse me, there's a... What is that? Coffee jelly?
Yes, ma'am. Malamig na malamig.
Yes, darling. Bumili ka
Bakal ko
ng
dito.
taro. Ano na? Pagkano na? Ube. Yeah, pwede yung dala ko para makuhaan ka mga videos. Sun all. nandito tayo kakain sa Diner Fiesta. Si Kiara, gutom. So, yes. Nag-order lang kami siupaw. Pag ano nga nag-order tadan, nag-order lang kami sa sweet and sour. Pork. Tag 2 rice. Kay busog pa kami.
Ang balite ka hungry.
Zay?
It's steaming.
Dapat makabuto to snacks sa taman. May sweet corn, may hot dogs. Dapat kamula na nga para dire-diretso yung lakat natin. Pagkagabi, full ka doon sa kaon.
Wait, kulang.
Kaya namin man kaya. Nag-share lang kayo. Dinamit Manila nga, no? Sweet and sour. Pork ne. Okay namin, manang pork. Namin nga. Ganado ba? Damo na yan. Karon na matama, no ah. Bye-bye na, be. Thank you for watching.